Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I just want to show you how you can make a dedicated shortcut to start recording videos with just 2 taps instead of using the main camera app. So here's my main camera app. So let's say I open it up, and in this case, I have to swipe over to get the video and then press tap to start recording. Now, a lot of times when I'm going to record a video or something like that, of kids or pets or something like that, having to make that extra step, you might miss the moment, and that could be pretty much a hassle. So I want to show you a method where you can just tap to open the camera and then tap to start recording. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. There's the camera app. I'm going to long press it. Okay, and then where it says video, I'm going to press and hold that. And then you see I moved it up to the center of the screen. Now you could take it and move it anywhere you want, but I prefer to have it off by itself in the center like that so I can get into it really quick for when I want to record something. So now, instead of having to open my main camera app and then swipe over to video if I'm not there already, all I have to do is just tap the video app, start recording. So it's, it could be a couple steps faster, and as you know, when you're trying to start recording really quick, that can make all the difference between getting the shot and not getting it. And so to me, it's really worth it, and I really like having it. So that's how you do that, and thanks for watching.